Hey, if you not received the messages notifications on your Redmi Watch 4, like in my case, let me show you how we can try to fix this. So first of all, we are going to focus on our watch. We have to click on the side button. Then we have to go into the settings and we have to go into the sound and vibration. And first of all, we have to be sure that the silent mode is turned off, because when this function is turned on, we don't get any notifications. Next, when you go back, also just be sure that the do not disturb mode is turned off. And that's basically all from our watch. Next, we can try to make some fixes on the smartphone. So we'll have to actually open the Mi Fitness application, go into the device, and from this I can recommend you to turn on this background running. So after this, we'll actually get perfect synchronized over all of these features. So from this, click on the others, and as you can see from here, we have to open the security or the settings, find auto start, and locate this application. So we are looking for our application. For our Mi Fitness application. So in my case, I've got the Samsung phone, and I have to just click to turn it on, like this. So now let's make it. Let's go into the settings and let's try to find it. We have to go into the all apps. So it appears right here. We have to go into the Mi Fitness application. We have to find it. In your smartphone, if you have any phone, like for example the Xiaomi, Redmi, the Poco or Realme, it may look a little bit different, but you have to basically locate your Mi Fitness application. Then go into the notifications, and as you can see, click here to allow all the notifications. Then just go back. Now for the permissions, as you can see, just be sure that the notifications are also turned on. So as you can see, we have to enable the messages, for example, and that's basically it. Now from here, we can just go back into the application, and at the end you can also go into the app notifications, turn them on like this, and you can synchronize all notifications and get them just straight into your watch. You can also get the wake screen when you receive any notification. And that's how it looks. Right now you can tell me if it works, but if for some reason you still cannot receive any notifications on your watch, you can just simply update your software or perform the reset of your watch. So we can just go into the settings. Then from this, you will have to scroll down, go into the system, and from this just select reset. Click here to confirm, perform the reset of your watch, and on the Mi Fitness application you will have to actually click to unpair at the bottom. Uninstall this application and get it one more time on your phone, and that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.